Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing very well. Today is going to be a short 5-minute Friday video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, and I know it says 5-minute Friday, but the video is actually almost 6 minutes. But I filmed this video several months ago, and I actually originally wanted to edit this and upload it for the month of October, but I was just way too busy with my move, and but you know, I don't want the video to go to waste, and I just had a lot of fun with this, so I thought might as well just do a very short 5-minute Friday video with you here. I'm using the A5, I think it's called the A5 Slim watercolor spiral notebook from Traveler's Company, and I'm using some of the supplies from September's stationery selection box and just trying to have fun here. It's not, you know, I'm not making these for stickers or anything like that. It's just for me to have fun with the watercolor palette and the Holbein pencil crayons. I thought it would be fun to combine both items together, so I thought I would go just have fun with just have a little bit of fun with that in my spiral ring notebook. Sorry, I'm so tired. I actually, this is on a tangent, but I'm in my new place now, which I'm very glad that the actual moving part is finished, but now I have to do the unpacking, and that's taking very long because I don't have any storage solutions. So I have all these boxes that are ready to be unpacked and organized, but I just have this one closet and that's it. And we planned out some storage solutions ahead of time, like ahead of the move, but they haven't arrived yet. The pieces are coming, the shipments are coming separately, so like I can't even start packing these boxes away, and so it's becoming very frustrating because everything is in these boxes, and I really want to open them up and get them organized and get the room set up, but it's a very long process. You know, if you've moved before, it just takes a toll on you, mentally, both mentally and physically. So anyways, back to the video. I'm just having fun with these watercolors and the pencil crayons. I wanted to, so my original plan was to film this and then have this up in October so that I can kind of review with you the different Japanese folklore character, the yokai characters, but then I realized, or I thought maybe that's not the most appropriate, so I'm just deciding to put this up as a 5-minute Friday video and just sharing with you what I did with these watercolors and pencil crayons. But the video's coming up. I still have to. The Prada unboxing is already done. It's all edited. It's all ready to go. It's all uploaded. I just haven't scheduled it yet. That one is done already. I've already filmed a travel with me in my traveler's notebook, of my trip that I took with Cute Things from Japan and Esther Molina, and we went to Classici and the Superior Labor, so that's already filmed and everything. I need to edit that, so that is also coming up. Also, I want to share with you some stationery favorites and things, so I have a lot I really want to film and share with you. I hope you stick by. If you have any recommendations of what you want to see, please leave them down below. My goal is also, like I said in the other videos, I really want to share with you some of my organization, or how I store some of my stationery things. It like I said, I just have this one workroom, which is going to be my workroom slash office slash craft space, and I'm hoping that the storage solution that I ordered works out, and I hope that works. And if it does, then I would love to share the video with you. I guess sharing, it won't be like a huge long video, but maybe I'll do them in small little increments, like how I store my stamps, or how I store my washi tape and things like that. But yes, those are too soon to come, or will probably be coming up in the next several months. And I think I've already thought about December daily, and I already know what I will be using for that. So I'm very excited. It's, less than a month away for the December daily, and that's always a fun time for me. Anyways, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this very short snippet, or very short video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I really, really appreciate your support and patience during this time of my moving and relocating. It's very stressful, but I really, really appreciate your comments and support. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.